BM English Speaking Radio Channel presents BM English Word of the Day. My name is Prachiti and I'm your host for this episode. You are listening to episode number 192 of season 3. Today's word is assertive. Assertive means having a self-assured and forceful personality, behaving confidently, to be able to state one's opinion firmly. With BM English Speaking Radio Channel, learn one new word every day and impress the world. In this English vocabulary lesson, you will learn how to use the word assertive. We are sure that this ESL lesson will help you to enhance your English vocabulary and speak English fluently and confidently. Assertive is spelled as A-S-S-E-R-T-I-V-E. The word assertive shows a quality of confidence in oneself. An assertive person is the one who is straightforward. For example, Ruchita won the debate competition because she was well-read as well as assertive. Listen carefully how we can use the word assertive in 8 different situations in 8 different sentences. Example number 1 of 8. Globally, in the developing countries, the percentage of women getting educated is slowly increasing. Education has made women more confident and assertive. Also, it has opened the doors of employment for them. Moving on to example number 2 of 8. Danish was not assertive and was unable to motivate and manage his team members. As a result, his team's performance was lackluster and the management asked him to move to another role. Let us understand example number 3 of 8. Naresh appeared for the qualifying examination for a government job. He failed to clear the group discussion round. He approached a training institute to seek guidance for this. The institute involved him in mock tests and taught him how to be assertive during the discussions. Example number 4 of 8. Stephen would often get aggressive during office meetings and try to silence others with his arguments. The HR department was informed about this. They held detailed discussions with him and convinced him that he can be assertive to state his point of view without being aggressive. So did you understand? There is a lot of difference between assertive and aggressive. Do share your comments in the comments box. We train English learners in vocabulary development in our advanced English fluency course at our training centers in Mumbai. But don't you worry, if you don't stay in Mumbai, we have an online English fluency course for you too. To know more, visit our website www.bmconsultantsindia.com. Example number 5 of 8. Govind Singh was assertive and had leadership qualities since childhood. His parents noticed this and they encouraged him to join the armed forces. Their judgment was right and he was very successful as a military officer. Moving on to example number 6 of 8. The political party appointed Shankar to travel to the interior parts of the country and convince people to join their party. He assumed the role with confidence and launched a series of roadshows and rallies. His assertive speeches attracted people towards his party and his mission was successful. Example number 7 of 8. Reena was hard-working and yet was unable to get promoted. In her performance review, she was informed that she was not assertive while dealing with complex and problematic situations and hence was lagging behind in the hierarchy of her company. Let us understand example number 8 of 8. Precise Engineering Works invited a behavioral expert to interact with their staff. She explained to the employees how to be polite and yet assertive while handling customer complaints. She also organized several role plays during the training for making it lucid to understand. Today we learned the word assertive, which means having a self-assured and forceful personality, behaving confidently to be able to state one's opinion firmly. Can you frame 3 sentences with assertive and type in the comments box? We are waiting. We are sure this lesson has helped to upgrade your English vocabulary and speak fluent English. You can download the script of this episode and all our episodes from www.bmenglishspeakingradio.in. Stay tuned for new English vocabulary lessons. We are on a mission to train 1 crore Indians in English fluency. This was episode number 192 of 200 BM vocabulary episodes that we have planned. Kindly note that we will be uploading 1 vocabulary episode daily at 6 am Indian Standard Time. So meet you tomorrow at 6 o'clock with a new word. Till then, take care.